Chuck Hutman, will the car dealers make you sick? Well, me too. Are you tired of all the hassles and the gimmicks? Well, come to Chuck Hutman's Used Cars. I don't have any hassles. I don't have any gimmicks. I just have so many guys starring cars. If you don't help me sell them, I am going to puke. Hi, I'm Chuck Hutman. How can I help you today?
Hi, we'd like to buy a car.
A nice family-sized sedan.
Well, you've certainly come to the right place. Follow me. Look at this little baby right here. Family-sized sedan, $7,321. You got the antenna for your radio. You got the windows, you can see right through them. You got the door, you see. What does it do, Chuck? Well, it opens the door. It's a door handle. You got the wheels right here. You can kick them. They'll take you anywhere you want. Now, let's look under the car. You got your muffler down here. You might say, Chuck, it's all rusted. Well, it's not. It's aged like a fine wine. Then you got your shocks to take your lily white butt wherever you want to go in nice, smooth comfort. You got your gas tank. You might say, Chuck, is it good on gas? Hell, it's great on gas. I mean, sure, it's got lots of cuts and scratches and slams and dings and dongs, but it gives it character. It's a great looking car. And you're driving at night, it's got headlights. What do you think?
Boy, I don't make that much. I am.
I wanted to spend.
Boy, it's way out of our
It's a
price
little
range.
Too much.
Yeah.
I think we can fit it into our budget.
We'll take it.
So, my lad, what do you think? Excellent vehicle. Don't you think so?
Well, it's got 120,000 miles on it. The alignment's out of whack. Kind of pulls to the right. I see the tires are bald on it. Some corrosion on the underbody here. The back's all rusted out. I see the brakes are kind of sluggish. I don't think I'm going to take this one.
Hello, my friend. I'm Chuck Hutman. What can I do you for today?
Well, I'm looking for something kind of sporty.
Sporty? Well, you found it. It's right here, the most beautiful car in my lot.
I'll take it.
Beautiful!
Now, what about financing?
That's Chuck Upman's Used Cars, Route 1, Wharf, Maine, 1-800-555-7853. That's 1-800-555-PUKE.